Hello students, welcome to computer period. Today we will continue writing C program. In the last class we have done a program in order to get which is a greater number among two numbers. Today we will write the program in order to decide which is the smallest number among three numbers. Okay, we will write the question as write a C program to decide greater not greater. We can use by using symbol greater we can decide greater number also, but today we will decide the smaller number. Okay, smaller number among three numbers. Okay, now you know the method to how to start writing the program. First of all, we should go file new and new project and give the file name. Okay, and get the space for writing the program. Now, so we will give the file name as any file name we can give. You will give smaller dot C. Okay, and you will get the space here for writing, and that same file name will be appearing at the top where we are start writing program. And first step is to write the comment entry. So we will write the comment entry as program to decide a smaller number, and close that. And you know that it is only for the purpose of programmers in order to know. Okay, it is not a part of the program, and it starts from hash include stdio dot h, and next line you have to write int main, and you should open flower bracket. Then we have to declare variables. In this case we have to check with the three numbers, so we have to declare three variables. So int a b c will declare. Then the sixth line we have to write printf open flower bracket slash n. You have to write enter first number, enter first number, close commas, bracket close, and semicolon you should write. Next you have to write the scanf open bracket open quotes percentage d quote close comma, and we'll write a semicolon. Then eighth line again you have to write printf open bracket slash n, enter second number, and ninth line you have to write again scanf open bracket percentage d quote close, then comma and symbol b close bracket semicolon. Again we have to write printf slash backslash n, enter third number, double quote close bracket semicolon. And 11th line you have to write again scanf percentage d quote close comma and symbol c semicolon. Now we have written and we have declared 3 variables and we have to continue writing more. So we have finished writing 11th line. Now we will move to 12th line. You have to write if open bracket A is less than B, checking A with B and symbol you have to write 2 times. Again A checking with C, checking A with B and A with C, close comma, this close bracket. Then we have to write as print F open bracket course, then this slash n you have to write percentage D is smaller, double quote close comma and write A semicolon. Then we have to open this flower bracket here, you can close that the same line and again we have to write else if next, checking with the next and next you have to write print F open quotes n percentage D is smaller B, close flower bracket and next line again you have to write else open flower bracket you have to write print F open bracket double quotes open bracket slash n percentage D is smaller comma C, close flower bracket and we can write return 0 semicolon and close flower bracket and we have finished writing the program. Say we have 3 numbers, we are checking A and B and A with the C and if A is greater you have to print A and again one more condition is there, one more checking is there. No, for that purpose we are going to use the else if only 2 numbers are there means here it is enough else, if followed by else. So here we have 3 numbers, so we are going to use else if and last, otherwise print the 3rd number. So for that purpose we will use else if. So remember, when there is a checking with the more than 2 numbers, so we are going to use else if. Understood? Okay. Now we have finished writing the program and you know that we have to, in order to get the answer we have to go to build and select build and run option. Okay. So build, in that you have to select build and run. Okay. Build and run option in order to see your answer. So output or answer you will get like this. We have and given enter first number, enter first number, will write 98. Okay. Again it will ask enter second number, so will can give any number and enter third number, will give as 320. Okay. Among these numbers which is smallest, so that answer will come automatically. So you will get the answer as 98 is smaller. So we have assigned the value for A 98 or B 125 or C 320 like this. And based upon what the numbers you have entered here, you will get the required answer. And we can check with any larger number, bigger numbers also. And if it's, as I told, if we change the symbol here, instead of less than symbol, if you use greater than symbol, we will get the answer which is the greater number among 3. Understood now? Okay, I hope you have understood about this program. Okay. Now we will continue one more small program in order to enter your age or answer as your, while writing the number, you will get the age in the sentence form. How to write that? We will write that one more small program. Now the question will be, write a C program to enter your age or display your age. Display your age. This is the question number 2. And we will give the file name as age.c. And after writing this file name, you have to start writing, and first writing comment entry. So we will write a comment entry as a program to display the age. Display age. Enough, this much. Okay. Second line, you are going to get as hash include stdio.h, and you have to write int main open bracket close bracket immediately, then open flower bracket, then you have to write int age semicolon, and sixth line you have to write printf open bracket double quote close bracket slash n. How old are you? How old are you? Question mark double quote close, like this you have to write. Then seventh line you have to write scanf open bracket double quotes open percentage symbol 2d double quote close and age semicolon. Then eighth line you have to write printf open bracket, you should write double quotes close backward slash n. You have to write I am percentage 2d years old, years old double quote close. Then you have to write age double quote close comma, then age should write close bracket semicolon. Okay. Next close flower bracket. Okay. Now we have finished writing this program, and we will get the answer after going to build and run. What will ask? How old are you? So you will get the output as how old are you? Question mark. So if you write some number here, for example 15, you will get as I am, answer you will get I am 15 years old. Understood? This is the output of this second program. Understood? So 2D means you are going to get the answer having 2 digits. It's an integer, 2 digits. Understood? I hope you have understood today's class. We will continue the next class. Thank you, students.